Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Fundrise. In this Fundrise review, I'll share a detailed overview based on my usage. For those interested in learning more, I've included helpful links in the description below. Fundrise is a purpose-built platform designed for individuals seeking to invest in real estate without the complexities of direct property ownership. It presents an excellent opportunity for those looking to diversify their investment portfolios with real estate, even with limited starting capital. Fundrise provides access to private real estate investments, typically difficult for average investors to access. A key feature of Fundrise is its user-friendly interface, simplifying the investing process for beginners. Whether through their app or website, you gain access to a diverse range of real estate projects, encompassing residential, commercial, and mixed-use properties. The platform facilitates fractional investing, enabling you to begin with as little as $10, thanks to their diversified REITs and e-funds. This low barrier to entry makes Fundrise ideal for investors seeking an affordable way to enter the real estate market. Transparency is another strength of Fundrise. You can monitor your portfolio's performance in real time, access detailed property information, and even track generated income. The platform's auto-invest feature simplifies hands-off investing, allowing Fundrise to manage asset allocation according to your chosen investment plan, ranging from conservative to aggressive strategies. Fundrise fee structure is relatively straightforward, consisting of a 0.15% advisory fee and a 0.85% asset management fee, quite competitive considering the access provided. However, it's important to acknowledge that liquidity can be a consideration. Real estate is inherently a long-term investment, so withdrawing funds isn't as immediate as with traditional stock investments. Fundrise is best suited for long-term investors who understand the inherent risks and potential rewards of real estate. It's not designed for short-term gains or those requiring rapid access to their cash. In conclusion, if you're aiming to diversify your portfolio with real estate and are comfortable with a long-term investment horizon, Fundrise is definitely worth exploring. I hope this review offers a comprehensive overview of Fundrise features and benefits. For further details, please refer to the links provided in the description.